The Hytile Belt Elevator saves time, effort, and your back. This can be done with the aid of a rope. If the shorter elevator is used, no rope is needed. Just unfold the sections, drop the motor into the base, connect the drive V-belt, and you are ready to go. This whole procedure takes about 2 minutes. The first time the elevator is assembled, the setup time will be approximately 10 minutes. But this is only done once. First, the main sections are bolted together. Additional sections, when required, are bolted in at the base unit. Wheels on the base swing away when the unit is in use, so that it sits securely and safely on the ground. The lifting handles make lifting the base much easier. The belt is rolled out for connection. Around the top pulley, through the section rollers, and around the base pulley where the joining pin is inserted. Belts stretch with use over time, so when the adjustment at the top has reached its limit, this short piece of belt is removed. The wire rope from the top end is threaded through several holes along the elevator and clamped around the stop lever at the base. To ensure the correct length, the black marks on the wire rope should be together when the clamp is tightened. Place the motor in the base and check the V-belt is around the pulleys as shown. Plug in the power and switch on. Adjustment and alignment of the belt is done by winding the handles at the top of the unit. The correct tension is determined by the load to be lifted. If the belt slips around the base pulley, tighten the belt. If it runs to one side, adjust by turning one or other of the adjustment handles. By lifting the lever at the base, the V-belt is loosened and the main belt stops. This action at the top of the elevator prevents the tiles falling over the end of the unit if no one is available to lift off the load. It is also a safety stop if needed. This lever can be turned down if tiles are removed over the end of the unit. A safety bracket at the top can swing down when the belt is tensioned, up when the bend is being adjusted, and out for worker protection. The top 4 feet is adjustable up to an angle of 45 degrees for the easier removal of tiles. To use the elevator in reverse, position the reversing switch on the base before switching to reverse mode. If the bend has been adjusted, it will be necessary to change the direction of the small pulleys under the belt at the bend to ensure the belt does not wander when in reverse mode. If the bend is straight, this procedure is not necessary. When the job of loading or unloading the roof has been completed, secure the belt with the ocky straps provided. Unclip the locking catch. And fold the unit back on itself. Remove the motor and load the elevator onto your truck.